Chia seeds, tiny, trendy, and talked about by every health influencer on the planet. They're hailed as but what if they're actually hurting you instead of helping?
Yes, right.
If you have any of the 5 health issues I'm about to reveal, eating chia seeds could quietly worsen your symptoms, or even trigger something more serious. In this video, you'll learn when chia seeds are dangerous, who should avoid them, and finally, if they're right for you, how they can supercharge your health. So tell me in the comments, have you ever experienced side effects from chia seeds? Hit like if you've ever tried them, and subscribe for weekly videos that decode health myths and reveal the truth your body deserves to hear. Part 1. When chia seeds can be dangerous. 1. Digestive disorders. Chia seeds absorb up to 12 times their weight in water, turning into a thick gel. For most people, that slows digestion in a good way. But not if you have IBS, Crohn's disease, colitis, or sluggish bowels. That gel can sit in your gut, causing bloating, pressure, cramps, and constipation. Plus, chia is rich in insoluble fiber, which passes through your gut, mostly intact. That may irritate already sensitive intestines, leading to flare-ups and unpredictable bowel movements. If you already struggle with gut issues, chia seeds may make things worse, not better. 2. Low blood pressure. Chia seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and magnesium, which naturally relax blood vessels. Great if you have high blood pressure, dangerous if yours is already low. Why? Because too much relaxation of the blood vessels can slow circulation, causing lightheadedness, brain fog, fatigue, even fainting. And if you're on blood pressure meds, chia seeds can intensify the effect, making it harder for your heart to maintain proper flow. Drop a BP in the comments if you're managing your blood pressure right now. 3. Seed allergies. If you're allergic to sesame, flax, mustard, or hazel, beware. Chia shares similar proteins that may trigger unexpected reactions. This can include scratchy, throat swelling of lips or tongue, trouble breathing in severe cases, anaphylaxis. Worse, chia allergies can develop slowly. You may eat them for weeks or months without symptoms, until one day your immune system says, no more. Ever had a weird reaction to seeds? Let's help others. Comment allergy below. 4. Prostate cancer risk in men. While chia ala is an essential omega-3, too much ALA has been linked in studies to increased risk of aggressive prostate cancer. Unlike fish-based omega-3 can interfere with hormone balance, especially by increasing a potent form of testosterone associated with prostate cell overgrowth. If you have a family history of prostate issues or are at risk, large amounts of chia could do more harm than good. Should men be cautious with plant-based omega-3 south? Let's open that conversation. 5. Choking hazard. This one's scary and real. If you swallow chia seeds dry or don't drink enough water with them, they can expand in your throat, forming a sticky gel that blocks airflow. Documented cases have shown esophageal obstruction, especially in people with swallowing difficulties or who eat too fast. Pro tip: always soak your chia seeds for at least 15 to 30 minutes before eating. Were you aware of this? Type chia safety in the comments if you just learned something new. Part 2. The incredible benefits of chia seeds. Now, if you're healthy and don't fall into the risk categories, chia seeds might be one of the best things you can eat. Let's break down why. 1. Builds stronger bones. Chia seeds contain more calcium per gram than dairy, plus high levels of phosphorus and magnesium. The exact trio your bones need to stay strong and flexible. Helps prevent fractures and osteoporosis. Great for seniors, menopausal women, and anyone avoiding dairy, no oxalates. So calcium is highly absorbable. A 13-month animal study showed chia increased bone mineral density, strength, and overall skeletal health. 2. Rejuvenates your skin. 1. Naturally glowing, youthful skin. Chia seeds provide omega-3 south that reduce inflammation and dryness, zinc for wound healing, acne repair, and collagen production. Peptides that slow aging enzymes like elastase and tyrosines. Your skin stays hydrated, resilient, clear, and elastic, perfect for fighting off wrinkles, breakouts, and sun damage. From the inside out. 3. Aids weight management. Forget starvation diets. Chia seeds work with your body. They expand in your stomach, helping you feel full longer. Fiber slows digestion, reducing sugar cravings and snacking. Contains complete plant-based protein to preserve lean muscle in a 6-month study. People with type 2 diabetes lost more weight with chia than those without it, even on the same low-calorie diet. 4. Natural energy booster. Instead of crashing after coffee or sugar, chia provides long-lasting, clean energy. Fiber controls blood sugar release, omega-3 south improv, oxygen flow to cells, protein, sustains stamina. Perfect for workouts, long days at work, or early mornings, with no jitters or crashes. 5. Enhances brain function. Your brain is 60% fat, and it craves the right kind. Chia seeds deliver ALA and magnesium, which support faster neurotransmission, lower brain inflammation, sharper memory and focus, reduced stress and anxiety. In animal studies, chia helped reverse learning deficits caused by stress and poor diet. Just imagine what it could do for you. Bonus easy chia pudding. Recipe: creamy vanilla chia pudding. A perfect breakfast or dessert. Ingredients: 3 TBSP, chia seeds, 1 cup almond milk, 1/2 TSP, vanilla extract, 1 TBSP, maple syrup or honey, pinch of sea salt. Optional: berries, coconut, nuts, dark chocolate. Instructions: mix all ingredients well in a mason jar or bowl. Let sit 5 minutes. Stir again to break. Chill for 2 hours or overnight. Top with your favorites and enjoy. It's creamy, energizing, fiber-rich, and absolutely delicious. So, should you eat chia seeds? If you've got digestive issues, low BP, allergies, or a family history of prostate problems, proceed with caution. But if your body handles them well, chia seeds can be your secret weapon for energy, weight loss, skin, and mental clarity. Let me know in the comments. What's your experience with chia seeds? Love them or leave them? Like this video if you learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe, because your body deserves the truth. Up next, 10 powerful fruits your kidneys are begging you to eat.